hold. Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. Line and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poltan and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pokhara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Kids, go in the front or something.
On that side.
Yes. Check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Hyperdrive needs to get it out of you. Good. Airspeed sensor?
Yeah, even if we went on Slinky Dog, they would have been stuck going to the washroom. Even if we went to Slinky Dog, they'd still be stuck going to the washroom.
Yeah. No, I think,
Yeah.
Exactly.
So.
But we don't know, like, how that was going to be.
Yeah, true. I'm assuming that's the 50.
7, right?
7? 6? Seven. Sorry, I can't count. I wasn't counting myself. Yeah.
One.
Sloppiest single file formations I've ever seen. Two of you, go catch up with those two right there.
You will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Blue in the front, red is in the back.
Then we have the recruits.
Wait, you're still here? Poe's coming back with an attack force.
Yes, I can.
Get to the escape pods now! Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
Recotos para su seguridad. Permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
And watch out because the doors are closing.
It's like, did they always speak Spanish?
Yeah.
On to any of these items that are on your head or on your floor. This is R5. He's programmed to get you out of here and back to body quickly, okay? Do you have any questions? No? Alright, I wish you all the best of luck and of course be with you.
You did that door. It's ridiculous.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble. Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, go to the prisoner. We have a breach here, section 1-3. Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know. Scan for his pod feature.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from key command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck.
Lieutenant Beck here. Beck!
Oh, you're alive.
I should hope so. Great job, recruit. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is